guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hayden and today I'm back with another video. Yes, I know I've been gone for so long and I'm really sorry. No, I did not quit YouTube. No, I'm not done making videos. Your girl just had to take a break, but this is just going to be a really quick get ready with me, and I'm also going to be telling you guys a little bit of tips about my makeup. I'll tell you guys where I got my outfit from, where I got my hair from, and of course everything is also going to be listed in the description box below. I tried to make this look like not too exclusive but a little bit exclusive, but like, you know, y'all probably think like, yeah, I look the same. I might look the same, but the way that I got here is different. Okay, so it's a little bit of different makeup techniques that I got. Okay. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this video and stick tight and let's get started. So I've already started by doing my eyebrows and I'm just about to spoof up my hair really quickly. I'll be using my Irresistible Me diamond flat iron. I really love this flat iron. Thank you, Irresistible Me, for giving it to me. And I'm also using my Garnier Fructis flat iron perfector spray. I use this for all my straight hair units or anytime I like curl or flat iron my hair. I'm just gonna like quickly flat iron this just because this hair is pretty low maintenance and I don't have to do too much to it. And I have my flat iron settings on 400. This wig is from Hair Vivi Calm. I'll have all their information in the description box below. I've already did a hair review for them before. So I finished flat ironing my hair on both sides, and I mean, my baby hairs aren't really bad right now. I'm just gonna spiff up the first one. I really love to use my Renutrient Slick Stick for flyaways. People are always asking me how I get my wig so flat. This is definitely one of the ways. I'm just dabbing that on there. I hate flyaways. Like, it's just so ratchet to just leave your flyaways just sitting there, flying away. Like, bitch, what are you doing? And I'm just using some Eco Styler. I for sure need a new one. And a hard toothbrush, and just gonna split up that little baby part right there. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I feel like it looks good enough, and I'm just gonna add some concealer to my part right now. I'm just gonna be taking the same concealer that I use for my eyebrows, which is the MAC Fix. I actually don't know the name of this, but it'll be in the description box under my eyebrows. And just put that on my part. It's basically the same color as me, and I'll just leave it at that. Alright, so I'm gonna get started with the bulk of the makeup tutorial. I know I did my hair first. Sorry if y'all wanted to see my makeup first, but we're just gonna get right into it. Let me just put this behind my ear. So today I'm going for a very simple everyday makeup look. So in a way you can call this a everyday makeup tutorial if you want to. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I like to get ready with me just because I can talk. So if y'all don't want to see a get ready with me type of video and you want to see my everyday makeup routine, I can make a separate video. Comment down below. But just for the purpose of this video, it'll be a get ready with me, but it'll also be my everyday makeup routine. So it's going to be really quick and simple, not going to be a full face. This will not be my concept of a full face, but it might be somebody else's concept of a full face. But to me, this is like quick makeup that I just do when I don't have enough time to do my makeup, or I don't feel like doing my makeup all the way. I always like to start by color correcting my dark spots. Now I know they're not really that bad, but I do have like a couple bumps popping up on my face. I have like one right here and one right here, and I'm just gonna put this LA Girls Pro Conceal color corrector on them. And also, if you ever have a mustache, this is great to hide that mustache. I'm always saying the same tips over, but you know. And I'm just gonna put this on top of the bumps that have like a little redness to them. And if you guys ever have a hickey, just cover it up like that. But hickeys, I don't cover it with concealer, I cover it with foundation. Now I'm just going to be taking my Beauty Blender and my NARS foundation, and I'm going to dampen my Beauty Blender. I'll be using my NARS today. I really do like to use my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation for my like quick makeup, just because it like the consistency is thicker, so it's not as liquidy, if that makes sense. But this consistency is less thicker, so it's very liquidy. I hope that makes sense. I'm just going to be taking less of this, so I'll just be taking my Beauty Blender and dabbing it, just getting a little bit like that, and just putting it on top of the orange color corrector spots. So basically I'm only putting foundation on places where I want to cover spots. So I'm not putting it all over my face, just because I don't want it to look like I have on makeup. So in a sense, my everyday makeup look is like me trying not to look like I have on makeup. And like I said, I'm just putting that foundation over the hickey, and it literally just disappears. And then you want to put it on your neck too, because if you're trying to hide it from parents and stuff, I'm not, I just don't want it to show, then you know you want to make it look believable, and you don't want to have foundation in one spot and then it's going to look like you don't have foundation in that other spot. So I'm going to cover the rest of the spots. And I don't really have dark spots over here, but I want it to look even, so I'm just going to dab a little bit in the same area. Not too much though, like I literally just tapped it, like I did not take much foundation. I don't really put too much on my forehead, like I said, just dabbing it. See, I'm just putting it there and there, and I'm just gonna rub that excess off because I don't want too much on my forehead. And then I definitely put too much right here, but I'm just gonna blend that out. And then just to blend it out, not adding any more foundation, just blending. And blending is important because you don't want to just have spots on your face that looks like you have foundation, and spots on your face where it looks like you don't have foundation. Because if you're gonna do that, just use some light concealer. The foundation is heavier, so always make sure to blend it. Now I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And like I said, this is not really a full face, so I won't be doing the things I usually do. I'm just doing it very, very, very light. So I'm just going to put it under my eyes a little bit. And a dab on my forehead, and a dab right here, and a dab right here. And I'm literally barely putting it there because I don't want it to look like it's too much. And then just a little thin slice here. Okay. I'm just going to take my Beauty Blender and just blend that out. And I try to make looks like this look as minimal as possible. A lot of times I don't really have on makeup. I just do my eyebrows and cover my dark spots. But most times I just do my eyebrows. But you know, when you want to look a little cuter, but you don't have the time, this is the look that's like perfect, you know, for like a nice day at class, and there's a boy in your class that you want to impress, you know. Just kidding. Unless you're not kidding, you know. Then you're not kidding. We see like this looks really bright, and this is what I wanted to avoid because I don't want it to look like I concealed my face. Is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 30, and I'm just gonna put that under my eyes because I want it to look less bright, because like I said, I don't want it to look like I'm wearing too much makeup. I don't think there's I think there's a such thing as too much makeup, but in a sense where people think you have on too much makeup because they just don't know how to do makeup and they don't really know, then I just be like, shut the fuck up. Much makeup in terms of someone like me who knows like what makeup really looks like is like cakey, and my makeup really never looks cakey. There are still people out there that say, oh, you wear too much makeup, just because I literally have on makeup, and those are just people that usually don't really know about makeup. I will not be contouring my face because I'm just going to use bronzer, but I'm still going to use this Laura Mercier setting powder. Still taking my Beauty Blender and just dabbing it just a little bit like that. And instead of like applying the powder just like on my face to sit, I'm just gonna rub it in. And this is great if you have oily skin. If you don't have oily skin, you don't really have to put on setting powder. I'm gonna just be honest with you. So you're basically doing the same exact thing. You're just rubbing it in, and you're putting less. which is why I'm blowing, so that you don't have excess setting powder on your face.
His words were very nice, but there's no behind me, 'cause now there is no one.
Now I'm gonna take my MAC Fix Plus setting spray and just spray my face. And now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just dab everywhere.
Love is his and his is mine. A friend became the love of my life. You are my friend.
Okay, you see me out here. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is taking this NYX matte bronzer and my Morphe E58 brush. I use this for bronzer. And just putting that in the areas where I would contour, but I didn't contour just because this is easy makeup, okay? So I'm just dabbing it like that. And I'm just gonna go like this. And I don't like to do too much, but I do like to use a heavy hand so that it gets in there. And just chiseling up my face. See that? I kind of look skinnier on this side than this side.
And love of my life.
And I'm taking a smaller brush, the Morphe M524 brush, and just taking the same swipe. And then I'm just gonna do that on my nose. Honestly, this is perfect. I love bronzer just because it does literally the same thing as contour. It's just a little bit more, I can never think of words. Like, I really hate it. It's like I'm stupid, but I'm not stupid. Y'all know I'm not stupid, but yeah. It's a lot less defined, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush. I forgot the name of this brush, but I love this brush. It's amazing. And I'm just gonna like go in there and just smoothen out everything a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna go in with some black eyeliner and some mascara and line my waterline and then just put mascara on my lashes. Last but not least is going to be highlight. I'll be using my MAC Global Glow highlighter with this little fan brush. If you really want to go for a no makeup look, then you might not want to put too much highlight everywhere. But I mean, I don't really know if I'm going for a quick makeup look or a no makeup look. But I think the quick makeup look is really the way today since I'm putting on so much highlight. But the highlight is really what gives off the sense that you have on a lot of makeup. Especially to the people that don't know makeup. They're just going to be like, why is this bitch so shiny? Bitch, because I got on my fucking highlight, bitch. I got on my fucking highlight. And I'm gonna just once more go back in with this Real Techniques face brush. Oh, it's called the Expert Face Brush. That's what it's called. And just blend all that out. Yeah, I don't think it has a number, but probably. Now I'm just going to put on some eyelashes. I'm going to be using my Koko lashes in the style Amore, and I'll be using my Duo Brush On Adhesive Dark Glue. I love this glue so much. Like, if you're thinking what's the best glue out there, it's for sure this glue. And I'll just be using these. Now, before I tell you guys I'm completely finished, I'm going to tell you about a great product. It's the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, and this is a great product if you have oily skin. And I'm still going to be using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and I'm just going to open this. There's a loose powder, and then there's this powder, pressed powder. I think the pressed powder is better for on top, but if you have really oily skin, then I would get the loose powder and then put it under my makeup. But literally all I do is just take that, dab it, and then just put it in the places that I get oily, and it'll literally just snatch your pores. And I'm about to do my lips, so I'm just going to be using my NYX Brown Lip Liner and my NYX Buttergloss in the color Gingersnap, and I'm just gonna do this. that was it for this video. Now I just put on my outfit. I know y'all probably can't see the whole thing, but I got this top from AliExpress. I really don't remember where I got it, honestly, but I'm pretty sure if you go type in like Angels on Fire, you might find it. And then I got this skirt from Amazon. I don't know, I just decided to put this outfit together and look like ketchup and mustard for y'all real quick, but you know, I kind of like it. Okay, and it's really a cheap and affordable outfit as well. So yeah, I hope y'all like this. But you know what, I think I look cute. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to comment down below. Please don't forget to like and share this video with friends, and please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.